When we gaze upon these ancient bronze statuettes emerging from the mists of time, what do we truly see? What stories lie dormant within their intricate details and stylized forms? Join us as we delve deep into the world of the Etruscans, exploring the hidden narratives behind these enigmatic sculptures. First, let's examine the historical and cultural context that shaped these creations. These bronzes are Etruscan in origin, crafted by a civilization that flourished in what is today Italy. Before the rise of the Roman Empire, the Etruscans were known for their distinctive language, culture, and artistic prowess. They produced stunning works of art across various media, including painting, sculpture, and metalwork. Bronze held particular significance in their artistic repertoire. One compelling aspect of these bronzes is their connection to religious rituals. Many of them served as votive offerings, presented to the gods in hopes of receiving their blessings or intercession. The Etruscans had a vibrant religious tradition with a pantheon of deities that they venerated. These offerings were not mere symbolic gestures. They represented a tangible link between the human and divine realms. By placing these carefully crafted bronzes in sacred spaces or bodies of water, the Etruscans sought to communicate directly with their gods. It was a way to express gratitude, make requests, or simply acknowledge the divine presence in their lives. Another crucial element to consider is the broader cultural significance of these bronzes. They provide invaluable insights into the Etruscan worldview, beliefs, and daily practices. For instance, these sculptures often depict figures engaged in specific activities or adorned with particular symbols. These visual cues offer clues to understanding the Etruscan perception of the world and their place within it. Moreover, the placement and discovery of these bronzes in archaeological contexts provide additional layers of meaning. Some were found in sanctuaries, while others were unearthed from sacred springs or lakes. Such locations add a sense of ritual and devotion to these sculptures, highlighting their role in religious ceremonies. Now let's shift our focus to the technical aspects of these bronze sculptures, as they offer a fascinating glimpse into the artistic skill and craftsmanship of the Etruscans. The choice of bronze as a material was no accident. Bronze, an alloy of copper and tin, was prized for its durability, malleability, and ability to capture fine detail. The Etruscans were masters of bronze casting, and their techniques were both innovative and sophisticated. They employed the lost wax method, a complex process that allowed for intricate designs and fluid forms. This involved creating a wax model, coating it in clay, and then carefully melting away the wax, leaving behind a hollow mold. Molten bronze was then poured into the mold, taking on the exact shape of the original wax model. The result was stunning, capturing the nuances of form and texture with remarkable precision. The surface treatments of these bronzes also deserve attention. Some were left smooth and polished, showcasing the lustrous qualities of the bronze. Others were adorned with incised patterns, adding visual interest and symbolic embellishments. These decorative elements ranged from simple lines to more elaborate motifs, enriching the overall aesthetic appeal of the sculptures. Moreover, the study of these bronzes allows us to explore the evolution of Etruscan art over time. By analyzing stylistic features and comparing pieces from different periods, art historians can trace the development of Etruscan aesthetics. For example, some bronzes exhibit strong Greek influences, reflecting the cultural exchange and artistic traditions of the Mediterranean world. As we examine these bronzes, we witness the fusion of Greek and Etruscan elements, creating a unique artistic dialogue. Finally, let's address the impact and legacy of these bronze sculptures. They have captivated the attention of art enthusiasts and scholars alike for centuries. Their exquisite craftsmanship, religious significance, and ability to transport us back to ancient Etruria have ensured their enduring appeal. Today, these bronzes are treasured possessions of major museums worldwide, allowing us to marvel at the genius of Etruscan artisans. In conclusion, when we look upon these ancient bronze statuettes standing the test of time, we see much more than just sculptures. They are portals to a rich cultural heritage. Through these bronzes, we connect with the Etruscan people, their religious beliefs, artistic brilliance, and the profound human experiences they sought to express. They remind us of the power of art to transcend time and the boundless creativity of ancient civilizations. But there's another intriguing aspect to these bronze sculptures that we must explore. Let's delve deeper into the symbolism and iconography embedded in these artworks. The figures depicted in these sculptures often hold specific symbolic meanings. By understanding these symbols, we can unlock deeper layers of interpretation. For instance, certain poses or gestures may allude to particular activities or rituals. Deities are frequently represented by distinct attributes or iconographic elements. Unraveling these symbols provides a richer understanding of the intended message or narrative embedded in each sculpture. Moreover, the interaction between human and divine realms is a recurring theme in these bronzes. The relationship between the worshipper and the deity is palpable, whether it's a supplicant reaching upward toward the heavens or a deity extending a hand in blessing. These sculptures capture moments of communion and devotion, allowing us to glimpse the spiritual aspiration of the Etruscans. Let's also consider the broader context in which these bronzes were created and used. The Etruscans inhabited a vast territory encompassing parts of central and northern Italy. Their society was characterized by a complex social structure and a thriving economy. Understanding the historical setting in which these sculptures were made provides a backdrop for interpreting their significance. Additionally, the discovery of these bronzes in specific archaeological contexts offers valuable insights. Some were found in sanctuaries or sacred groves, while others turned up in private tombs. The circumstances surrounding their discovery shed light on their intended purpose and usage. To fully appreciate the artistry of these sculptures, it's essential to examine the technical aspects of their creation. The Etruscans were skilled bronze workers who mastered various techniques, including casting and chasing. Their ability to manipulate bronze with precision and finesse resulted in works of great beauty and sophistication. By appreciating the craftsmanship involved, we gain a deeper appreciation for the skill and artistry of the Etruscan artisans. Furthermore, these bronze sculptures played a significant role in shaping our understanding of ancient Etruscan culture. They served as invaluable sources of information for archaeologists and art historians seeking to unravel the mysteries of this enigmatic civilization. The absence of written records left behind by the Etruscans makes these sculptures all the more crucial in piecing together their way of life. They provide tangible evidence of their artistic achievements, religious beliefs, and the rituals they cherished. However, the enigma surrounding the Etruscans deepens when we encounter the more challenging questions about their culture and identity. The scarcity of written sources leaves us with more questions than answers regarding their language, history, and societal norms. This inherent mystery adds a layer of intrigue to these bronze sculptures, inviting us to ponder the countless stories they could tell. If only the silent artifacts could speak. Now let's delve into a specific bronze statuette and explore its possible origins, influences, and the story it might embody. Imagine a young woman from a noble Etruscan family preparing to make an offering to the gods. She stands poised, ready to present a cup or platter laden with gifts. Her attire speaks of wealth and status, while her gentle demeanor reflects piety and devotion. Her destination, a sacred spring or a temple nestled amidst the hills. The scene, though imagined, resonates with the essence of the bronze statuette, evoking the spirit of Etruscan devotion. The statuette itself, with its graceful posture and intricate details, embodies the culmination of this ritualistic journey. It captures a moment of quiet contemplation and reverence, symbolizing the profound connection between the human and divine realms. The very creation of the statuette was a labor of love and skill. Etruscan artisans poured their talent and passion into crafting this miniature masterpiece. The lost wax technique, with its intricate steps and delicate precision, became a vehicle for